Fear is a natural and fundamental human emotion designed to protect us from danger. However, it can also be a limiting force that prevents us from achieving our dreams, embracing new opportunities, and growing as individuals. Taking risks, on the other hand, is an essential part of life that enables us to push beyond our comfort zones and experience personal and professional development. Overcoming fear and taking risks are critical for success, as they allow us to tap into our potential, build confidence, and create a fulfilling life. Understanding fear and its impact. Fear arises from uncertainty and the anticipation of negative outcomes. It can manifest in various forms, such as fear of failure, rejection, change, or the unknown. While fear can sometimes be helpful in alerting us to real dangers, it often becomes an irrational barrier that holds us back from pursuing our goals. When fear dominates our decisions, we may find ourselves stuck in unfulfilling jobs, relationships, or lifestyles simply because we are too afraid to take a leap of faith. The psychological and physiological effects of fear can be paralyzing. It can lead to stress, anxiety, and self-doubt, making it difficult to take action. The fear of failure, in particular, discourages many people from even attempting to achieve their aspirations. However, history has shown that the most successful individuals are those who have learned to manage and overcome their fears. By confronting fear head-on, we gain resilience and adaptability, two essential traits for success in any aspect of life. The importance of taking risks. Risk-taking is the process of stepping into the unknown with the possibility of achieving great rewards. While risk always involves uncertainty, it is also the foundation of innovation, success, and personal growth. Without taking risks, people would never invent new technologies, start businesses, explore new places, or make life-changing decisions. Every major accomplishment in history has been achieved by individuals who dared to take risks. Entrepreneurs like Elon Musk, Steve Jobs, and Oprah Winfrey took significant risks in their careers, knowing that failure was a possibility. Yet, their willingness to embrace uncertainty led them to remarkable success. Similarly, everyday people who take risks, whether in relationships, careers, or personal development, often find themselves experiencing richer and more fulfilling lives. Strategies to overcome fear and embrace risks. Overcoming fear and taking risks require intentional effort and practice. The following strategies can help individuals build the courage to face their fears and seize new opportunities. 1. Identify the source of fear. Understanding what specifically causes fear can help individuals address it logically. 1. Is it the fear of failure, rejection, or the unknown? 1. Once the root cause is identified, it becomes easier to find solutions to overcome it. 2. Reframe fear as a learning opportunity. Instead of viewing fear as an obstacle, it should be seen as a stepping stone to growth. 2. Every failure or setback provides valuable lessons that contribute to long-term success. 3. Start with small risks. Taking smaller, calculated risks helps build confidence. 3. Gradually stepping out of the comfort zone makes it easier to take larger risks in the future. 4. Visualize success. Imagining positive outcomes can help reduce fear. 4. Visualization techniques allow individuals to mentally prepare for success, making risk-taking feel less intimidating. 5. Develop a growth mindset. A growth mindset focuses on learning and improvement rather than fixed abilities. 5. Embracing challenges and risks as opportunities for development can make the process more rewarding. 6. Surround yourself with supportive people. Having a strong support system of friends, mentors, and like-minded individuals provides encouragement and motivation to take risks. 7. Take action despite fear. The key to overcoming fear is action. 7. The more frequently a person takes risks, the more comfortable they become with uncertainty. 7. Confidence is built through repeated experiences of facing fears head-on. 8. Learn from failures. Every successful person has faced setbacks. 8. Instead of fearing failure, it should be embraced as a necessary part of growth. 8. Analyzing failures objectively and learning from them can lead to better decision-making in the future. The rewards of risk-taking. The benefits of taking risks far outweigh the potential downsides. Those who embrace risk often experience the following rewards: increased confidence. taking risks and overcoming challenges build self-confidence and resilience. Personal growth. Facing fears leads to self-discovery and growth, helping individuals unlock their full potential. New opportunities. Many life-changing opportunities arise when people are willing to take risks. Greater satisfaction. Living a life filled with bold decisions and adventures leads to a deeper sense of fulfillment and happiness. Innovation and creativity. Many breakthroughs in business, technology, and art come from individuals who take creative risks. Real-life examples of overcoming fear and taking risks. Many successful individuals have inspiring stories of overcoming fear and embracing risk. Consider J.K. Rowling, who faced numerous rejections before Harry Potter became a global phenomenon. If she had let fear stop her from submitting her manuscript again, the world might never have known her work. Similarly, Thomas Edison failed thousands of times before inventing the light bulb. He saw each failure as a step toward success, proving that persistence and risk-taking are crucial for groundbreaking achievements. In sports, athletes like Michael Jordan and Serena Williams have taken enormous risks to push beyond their limits and redefine their respective fields. Their willingness to embrace challenges and failures has contributed to their legendary careers. Conclusion. Overcoming fear and taking risks are essential for a fulfilling and successful life. Fear is a natural emotion, but it should not control decisions or prevent individuals from pursuing their dreams. By acknowledging fear, reframing it as an opportunity for growth, and taking calculated risks, people can unlock their full potential and achieve greatness. While risk-taking involves uncertainty, the rewards, confidence, personal growth, and new opportunities make it a worthwhile endeavor. Those who dare to step out of their comfort zones are the ones who create lasting impact and lead extraordinary lives. Subscribe for more updates.